Hi, let me show you how to recover deleted messages on Samsung Galaxy A36. For that, we got two ways. The first one is with Samsung Cloud. So go in your phone settings, find Accounts and Backup tab, and here choose Samsung Cloud. Now firstly go in Backup Data and make sure that messages are turned on. So you can also back up now and then tap done. So then you need to go in restore data, pick your phone, and if you can see here messages app, then you can just select it like I did with clock and then tap this button restore and you will see that data restored. Unfortunately, I got nothing to restore in messages, so I just showed you this on the example of Clock app. Now the next way is with Samsung Messages app. So make sure you're using Samsung Messages but not Google Messages. Open it up and now tap on three dots in the upper right corner and go in Trash section. Then you will see deleted conversations as well as messages where you can tap edit and restore within 30 days because after 30 days it will be permanently deleted. So tap restore, go back and you will see that this conversation is now restored. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.